In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide a post you've been tagged in Instagram. So make sure to stick till the end and let's get started. First and foremost, go to your Instagram, open the post that you have been tagged in, and then click on the three dot which is at the top right corner. And there you will see the tag options. Go ahead and click on it. And then go ahead and click on hide from my profile. Or you can even remove yourself from the post. So whichever you want, just go ahead and click on it and that should do it. But if you want to, remove the tags in bulk, then all you have to do is go ahead and click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the hamburger icon, which is at the top right corner. Then tap on settings, privacy, post, click on manually approve tags. And you can see the tag post here. Just go ahead and click on edit and select whichever you want to remove or hide and just do it. This is how you hide a post or multiple posts where you have been tagged on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.